In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or link a bank account to PayPal. This is a crucial step if you want to manage your finances effectively using PayPal's convenient platform. Whether you're planning to make purchases online, sell products, or simply want a secure place for your funds, linking your bank account to PayPal is essential. Let's begin by heading over to PayPal's official website. You'll want to visit PayPal's homepage, which serves as your single stop for managing your account. Once you're there, you need to find the login button. It's straightforward. A prominent login link should be available on the top right corner of the website. Click it. Here, you'll enter your credentials, your email, and password. Remember, it's always wise to ensure you're on a secure network while logging into your financial accounts to protect your personal information. Once logged in, PayPal will require an extra layer of security through a text verification step. This is where you'll either receive a WhatsApp message or a regular SMS text. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your account secure. Choose your preferred method to receive the security code. Enter this code to proceed, and with that you'll be taken to PayPal Home. Navigate to your account dashboard where you will see an option labeled Link a Card or Bank. This is usually visible under the Money section. Clicking on this will redirect you to a page where you can select whether to add a debit card or a bank account. For our purpose today, you'll select Link a Bank Account. Now enter your bank details. This generally includes your bank's name, the type of account you have, and your account number. Double check this information before proceeding, as any inaccuracies can cause delays. PayPal then asks you to confirm the information. Once you do, it must verify your bank account. This usually involves PayPal making 2 small deposits into your account within a few days. Keep an eye on your bank statements for these deposits. Once they appear, return to your PayPal account and enter the amounts for verification. Doing this will confirm the link between your bank account and your PayPal account, allowing for seamless transactions. And there you have it. Your bank account is now successfully linked to your PayPal account. You can now enjoy the full range of transactions PayPal offers, from sending and receiving funds to making purchases directly from your bank account without needing a credit card. As always, keep your login details safe and update your password regularly to keep your financial information secure. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out other videos for more tips on utilizing PayPal to its fullest potential.